to be out again in the sunshine for once. We don't know whether the car will be totally suitable to the twists and turns of the Peak District, but it's got plenty of power. We won't be struggling up the hills.
I love it. I love navigating. I'm very much looking forward to it. I just want to get the books now. I'm excited. I like to sit and plan.
I mean, it's been a good 18 months since I've sat in a historic car, so it's going to be fun, it's going to be exhilarating, it's going to be hot, and we'll just see what happens.
So it's a 1965 Mark 1 Cooper S. Me and Dad, obviously, he's got quite a bit of experience driving, but I haven't any navigating experience, so third event last time, so just getting used to talking together and communicating and getting everything right, really, I think, yeah.
Mike, there is a championship at stake, Hero Challenge Championship.
Yeah.
And you're the leaders.
We are at the moment, yeah. Long may that last.
How are you going to play this one?
I think just exactly the same as we usually do, really. Just keep our fingers crossed that we don't get caught out by anything nasty. I think last time, if you remember, it was a lot of right-hand turns, wasn't there, on the tests? And we lost 2 of the power flex joints on that side, so we just had to replace those. New tyres, all at the front, just a bit more traction up here, I hope.
First time, just thought we'd give it a go. I think take it steady tomorrow, take it easy, not trying to win anything, but just enjoy ourselves.
It's a 70th birthday present for me.
Oh, happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
And so you've done no navigation before, it's your first rally, and it's a hell of a birthday present, isn't it? Straight into the deep water.
Absolutely, yeah.
The big issue that we have this time is that, of course, he's changed the rules again, and he's not going to get the book until 30 minutes before we start, which adds more stress.
Well, we got the first in class on the last Hero event, but we hadn't done anything for 18 months or more before that, so it was getting rid of the cobwebs last time round.
And what about the heat in the cockpit? Do you think it's going to be uncomfortable?
Well, we're just going to bring lots of water. I think it is going to be a bit steamy in there. Maybe not just the temperature, but the arguments. There might be some gravel, so, a bit of handbrake.
Exactly. We'll see what happens.
He's grimacing. He's grimacing.
I've been in a few ditches in my time, so...
Oh, it's gorgeous up here, isn't it? Yeah, it's stunning. Yeah, and I get to see the views, of
I was going to say, I don't get to see anything at all. Head down, seeing nothing. He tells me afterwards how lovely it was.
Yeah.
Going to be a hot day tomorrow, bit of a dusty day as well, by the looks of things, but hopefully a lot of fun.
Yeah, I'm navigating for my dad in the family Hillman Imp today, which is a great little beast. She's rather temperamental and doesn't like the heat, which is not ideal today in 28 degrees. And we've been on 3 cylinders for those sort of last 3 tests through there, which was not good with a significant incline. But you know, she plods on and we get around, so we're having fun, and that's what it's all about.
We're just having a great day in a classic British car.
We were admiring your car before the start. Sadly, we saw you stopped early this morning, but you've got it going again.
Yeah,
so how did you manage that?
The Hero guys got it going for us, actually. We did identify what the problem was, in the sense that we just had a complete absence of fuel. Looked in the boot, and there was a spectacularly unjoined wire in the boot. Once it was rejoined, then it just worked. So we were, 8 minutes late or something like
for
that?
the first timing point. So we kind of start driving cross country to get missing out the first 2 regularities, and then joined 8 minutes late for the 3rd regularity.
We failed to start the timer on a couple of regularities, and then we got completely out of order. But we haven't got lost yet, have we?
Slightly stressful sometimes, but yeah, I've enjoyed it.
And then we had a little bit of trouble with a reversing tractor that we were about 10 cars back from him, so that's got to be a joker used. So not as good since then.
I think the boys are doing a bit better than us at the moment.
Yes,
indeed. Thank you.
Yeah, it's been really good. The regs, first 3 regs were particularly good. No issues at all on those. The last one we got caught behind someone coming down the hill, but it sounds like everybody did as well. So yeah, no, so far it's been going really well.
When you last looked, where were you?
Well, Angus and Mike told us we were in first, but I don't know whether that's going to last. We'll see.
We've been struggling with dirt in the fuel, I think, this afternoon, so we've struggled up a few hills. Not been very easy, but we've got here. We enjoyed it, been a great event, well organised, and managed to do the weather as well.
We just had one bad regularity, and when we'd zeroed the trip, there was a traffic light confusion, so cars everywhere, and yeah. So other than that, I think we did really well, yeah.
It was very hard work. The heat was the biggest problem, and the bicycles and the tractors. But it was a really, really good rally. Really enjoyed ourselves.
More tractors now than I've had in my whole lifetime, I think.
It's all to play for, and yeah, I think it will just carry on like it is at the moment, and let's hope so anyway, because there's nothing like a bit of competition.
Mike, Angus, what can I say? You've done it again. You really are running to great form, Angus.
It's terrific, isn't it? It's absolutely amazing. I can't believe it ourselves, really.
7 out of the 8 first tests today, which is just fabulous. So yeah, a lovely day, fantastic place to be. It's been lovely.
Matt, you gutted or you?
Well, no, I think we're pretty happy, really. You know, another podium. You know, we're still fairly new. Obviously, we're still learning. So, no, we're absolutely thrilled. All the regularities went really well, which I'm really chuffed with. So yeah, no, overall, we're very happy.
Yeah, great day battling Angus and Mike. Seconds here, seconds there. I think we were leading at lunch, and they've nabbed it back this afternoon. And yeah, just a cracking day's rallying, Tony.